Do you need a trademark to sell on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to show you. Amazon now is more and more moving us towards wanting to be a big marketplace for brands. Part and parcel of being a brand is protecting your intellectual property. The way that we protect a brand name is through a trademark. And so what Amazon has done, like any good people who are wanting to incentivize behavior, they have lined up a suite of very, very cool rewards for having a trademark and being brand registered on Amazon. So things like, what are we looking at? Makeup organizers on Amazon Australia. So all of this stuff here, look, on the very, very top, this glamanizer. The only way you can get that advert there, that very, very top, at the very, very top advert before you see anything else, is by being brand registered. That is a brand registry only advert. These ones just underneath, well, they're all available to anybody. So that's one reason. And this one as well, I just this one too, this one here. Again, Glamanizer, that's a brand registry advertising placement. And the way you get those is through brand registry. And they're very, very unique and very, very good to stand out. So that's one great reason to get it. Your ads stand out like proverbial dog's balls. Other good reason to get it is because you get access to something called A+ content, which is all this stuff. So here is the normal product description you get if you are not brand registered. And as you can see, it's pretty basic. It's just text. Depending on the category, you get like 2,000 characters that you're able to put in there. Depends on the category, but that's about right. Versus if you are brand registered, you get all of this loveliness and you get a load more images you can use, a load more space you can do. They haven't used all of the available things that you can use here, but you get a lot of additional content that you can put onto your product details page. And there's an old maxim in sales: the more you tell, the more you sell. And it's absolutely true. So the more content you put on there to explain about your product and explain why they should buy your product, the more likely you are to make a sale. And indeed, A+ content tends to give you about a 10% uptick in what's called the unit session percentage of your product details page, meaning for every 100 people that arrive on your product details page, X number of people, let's say it's 10% is a pretty average unit session percentage rate. 10 of those people, 10%, will buy, okay? But if you've got brand registry and you use A+ content, instead of it being 10%, it's actually 11%. So you get a 10% increase. Now that 1% doesn't sound like many, but over the course of a sales that you do in a week, it really, really adds up. It can be hundreds of thousands of extra dollars a year in sales for you. So there's that too, okay? There's that too. So that's another important thing. But then you've also got things like the marketing that you can do. We have brand analytics that we can go and look at. So people rely upon tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Merchant Words, software like that to find out how many units are being sold or potentially will be sold. But the reality is they don't get access to Amazon's data. They use a variety of different data points to essentially guess prospective sales volume. They don't know for sure. The only people who've got the accurate data is Amazon. And the only way you can get access to that data is through brand analytics, and brand registry is part and parcel of that, okay? So if you want super accurate data as well, brand analytics gives it you. So you've got that too. You can also get as well If you are doing outside advertising, let's supposing you're running Facebook ads and you're doing Google ads, and you might have some social media that you're doing as well, various different things you're up to, but you want to know what are you doing and what effect it is having on your sales. What is working is one of the hardest things to establish for any business. There's that old kind of Ogilvy thing where they say 50% of our marketing is working. We're just not sure which half it is. Well, on Amazon, you get access to something called attribution, which basically allows you to track from Facebook right through the marketing process to somebody ordering your product. So you know specifically what adverts are working, what search terms on Google are working, which social media influencers are driving sales for you and which ones aren't. It gives you far, far greater insights into your business. So, do you need a trademark to sell on Amazon? Well, the answer to that is, as Cassandra says, no, you do not. But it helps a lot. It helps a lot, okay? Amazon, I think, will get to a point where they will only allow established businesses, you're seeing this in Europe already, but established businesses to sell on Amazon because it will be a way to curb all the different scammers and things like that, which they're doing a really good job of already. Part and parcel of that, I believe, will be an insistence upon brand registry to go sell. I believe that's the way it was going. That was a video from my regular Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 professional e-commerce entrepreneurs from right around the world, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about us and of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye.